الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده اللهم يا مفتح الأبواب ويا مسبب الأسباب ويا دليل الحائرين توكلت عليك يا رب العالمين وأفوض أمري إلى الله إن الله بصير بالعباد.
U
Mr.
hurmatlanadigan
Chairman
rahbari va
and
mening
my dear brothers
do'stlarim,
and
men
sisters,
islomda Xrist
the
haqidagi
topic
mavzuni muhokama qilishni
Christ in
xohlayman.
Islam.
Men bu mavzuni Durban
When for the
shahrida
very
taqdim
first
etib,
time
shahar
I
hokimida leksiya
mooted this
berib,
subject in my own city of Durban, and I had a lecture delivered in the city hall. And when we advertised this topic,
mening
there
mamlakat
was a
katidagi masihiylar
consternation among
orasida
the
javohir
Christians
bor
in my
edi.
country.
Ular birroyaki shaxs Isaning
That
yangi
here
versiyasini
is
yaratishga
somebody coming
harakat
along
qilishidan qonil
to
ekan.
produce another
Gollarining boshlarida
Christ.
men bu auditoriyaning bu qismini
And
baqoshlash
at the very
imkonini
beginning
topdim.
of my talk in the city hall, I had to assure that part of my audience who were Christians
Men ularga
that
ta'kid
we
qildimki,
Muslims have
musulmonlar
not got
boshqa Isaga
another
emas,
Christ.
faqat Isa Bardo va
There
u
is
Isa
only
Isro.
one
Men ularni
Christ,
tizimlash
and that
kerak
is
edi. Biz bu
Jesus
haqda
Christ.
Isa
I
haqida
had to
fikr
assure,
qanday bildim?
calm down.
Biz biznesning asosiy kitobimizga murojaat qilamiz.
So, where do we get this idea from about Jesus and the Christ? We go to our book of authority.
Muslimlar Qur'onga murotiba qilish.
He
Men
goes to the
takror
Holy Quran.
muxtarlamanki, har birining Qur'onning bir nusxasi bo'lishi
And I'm
jilatilni bu
suggesting to
nusxada
my brothers and
tarjima mavjud
sisters
bo'lishi kerak.
that each and every one of you, you need a copy of the Holy Quran, a translation like the one I have in my hand.
Bu
This is
kitob
by
Abdulla
Abdullah
Yusuf
Yusuf Ali.
Ali tomonidan arab tilidagi matn, ingliz tilidagi
This
tarjima
book
va
here
ta'birlarni
has
o'z
got the
ichida
Arabic text,
saqlaydi. Uning
English
barcha
translation,
ma'lumotlarni olib
and
toliqni
commentary.
osonlashtiradigan
And
keng
it has
ko'lamli
a very
indeks ham
comprehensive
mavjud.
index. Makes things easy for you. Anything that you want to know in this book of
Bu
God,
kitob
you
bilan
have
sizga
everything on
kerak
your
bo'lgan barcha
fingertips.
narsalarni topishingiz mumkin.
You remember,
Masalan, shu kun,
on
shanba
Friday,
kuni men
I
bu
gave a
yerda
talk
gap
here,
gala va Israel haqidagi
and I
gapladim.
mentioned
Bu
about
kitobga
Jesus.
ko'ra Israel
That
haqidagi
Jesus
500
is
ko'p
mentioned in this
marta
volume
gaplanadi. Bu tasdiqlash qiyinlar.
500% more times than Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Something unimaginable. You can't imagine. A man goes and writes a book,
Yozuvchining o'zidan
and he
500% ga
keeps
ko'p
himself out of
kitob
it.
yozgan va
He's
isrofni
promoting
reklama
Jesus.
qilish imkonsiz.
Jesus
Agar bu uning
500%
kitob
more
bo'lsa,
time than
yozuvchi
himself.
o'z ishini
Does it make
reklama
sense?
qilib, o'z
Which
ishini
writer,
ishlatgan
which
bo'lar.
biographer,
Ammo kitob buda isrof 500%
authority
ga
write
ko'p
a book,
marta
do a thing like that?
Muhammadga nisbatan eslagan.
This is not his work. If it is his work,
Yo'q,
then
bu
naturally
uning
he would
ishi
have
emas.
promoted
Menga
himself.
shu kitobda
But now I
Israelning
said
nomini qancha marta
500%
keltirilganligini
more
aytishini
times.
bilgim kelishini,
You
unga
remember
yordam
that?
berishingiz
Those
kerak.
of you who were here. Can somebody give me the figure? How many times is Jesus mentioned in this book of God? Please put up your hand. Don't shout.
Talashnitar,
Just
lekin
please
ku
put up your
kuslama.
hand.
Men
I
sizga
want
bu
you to
kitobni
present you with a
berib
book.
berish istayman.
How
Qur'onda
many
Isro
times
haqida
is
qancha
Jesus
marta
mentioned
aytilgan?
in the
Ha,
Quran?
mening charim u 25 marta
Where's my
aytilgan.
child? You, huh? Huh? 25 is right. Is mentioned in the Quran 5 times total. 4 times as Muhammad and
Buqri
1 time as
Muhammad
Ahmad,
tunning 4
which is
marta
an
Muhammad deb
alternative
va birga
way
Ahmed
of
deb atalgani.
naming of the
Buning
Prophet.
ma'nosi
Altogether
profeta Muhammad
5.
tunning boshqa nomi
Jesus
ekan. Bu profeta
25.
Muhammad tunning boshqa nomi
Imagine.
Ahmed to'la 5 marta
Now,
atalgan.
where are you going to find this? In this encyclopedia of 2,000 pages, you're going to start
Buningni
paging through,
2000 betlik
looking
har
for
qanday
Jesus,
ensiklopediyada
Jesus,
topish qiyin.
Jesus,
Sizga
and you might have
Isus
missed
deb
all.
izlab,
All
sahifalarini
25
olib
you
kirish
might
va
not have
izlash
come across a
talab
single one of
qilinadi.
them.
Shuning
No,
esa
what
sizlar
you do
barchasini
is you
yo'qotishingiz
go to the
mumkin.
index at the back of this volume.
Shuning
There's a
uchun
very
siz kitobning
comprehensive
orqasidagi
index.
indeksini ham
You go to the
foydalanishda.
index,
Bu
and
to'liq
just like
indeks.
a dictionary,
Yesusni
look
indeksida
for
kiyina.
Jesus and
Siz
the J.
Qur'onda Yesusdagi barcha
Everything about
narsalarni
Jesus in the
topishingiz
Quran.
mumkin.
On your fingertips. I'm opening the index. Starts the first item. The first item.
Isa
Jesus,
sadoqatli professor.
undergirding
Ko'rsatuvning keyingi qismi uning
a
tug'ishi
righteous
4 ta
prophet,
o'rinlarda
is the
zikr
prophet of God.
qilingan Al-Imron
Chapter 6,
surasi
verse
3 bob
85.
42 vaqtdan
Second
boshlab,
item,
9 va
his
10
birth,
bob 23 vaqtdan boshlab.
mentioned in 2 places. In Surah Al Imran, chapter 3, ayah 42 onwards. chapter 19, verses 23 onwards.
Bu kitobda siz
On
Isro
and on
haqida
and
barcha
on.
narsalarni
Everything about
topishingiz
Jesus on
mumkin.
your
Siz
fingertips.
Isro,
You don't
Muhammad
have to
yoki
start
Moiz
fumbling
haqida
through,
izlashga
paging
to'xtamang.
through,
Siz
looking
hayron
for
bo'lishingiz
Jesus or for
mumkin.
Muhammad or for Moses for that matter. You'll get the shock of your life.
Men
When I
sizga
tell
buni
you
aytib,
this,
Allohning yana
another
bir
mighty
ulkan
messenger of
xizmati,
God,
Hazrati Musa
Hazrat
AS,
Musa
uni
alayhi
biz
salam, we
Moise
call
deb
him
atamoq,
Moses,
buyuk
the holy
prorok,
prophet
bu
Moses.
prorokni qancha kitob martabada
I can't
zikr
imagine
etilganini
anybody guessing.
bilmasligim
How
qiyin.
many times
Yo'q,
is he
u
mentioned in
bizning
this book?
prorokmiz.
The prophet of the Jews. No, he's our prophet.
Ammaga deganlar
But
u ekanki,
the so-called, they say he's the prophet of the Jews. All right, the prophet of the Jews. How many times is Moses mentioned in this book? I don't know what to give you. This book is too little. Anybody can tell me? Or
Iliyada
anywhere
juda
near
yaqinda
enough?
Moiz, bu
Moses,
kitobda
how many
Moiz
times
qancha
is
marta
Moses
zikr
mentioned in
qilingan?
this book?
Hu qancha? 52.
Huh?
Shu ko'rmas. Yana
How
kim?
much?
Sizga bu yonni taloshning
52.
oxirida beraman,
Anybody else?
ammo siz beraga tenga yaqinida yana kimsan?
Not likely. I will give you this Quran at the end of the talk. If you can give me anywhere 10, within 10 of that number, within
Allohga
10.
tawakkul. Ой,
Forget the
пожалуйста,
exact
не
number.
кричьте.
Please don't
Просто
shout.
поднимите
Just put up
руку.
your hand.
Siz sohivайте меня.
You.
100 раз. 120. Аллахга tawakkul.
100 times.
Давайте,
You.
скажите мне. Сейчас мне кажется, что мне придется вернуть этот Коран домой. Южная Африка Республика.
120, 120. Come. No, it looks like I'll have to take this Quran back home to South Africa. 136
marta bu kitobda Qutbning Moiz zikr qilingan va sizlar bizning antikrist ekanligini o'ylayotgansiz. Biz antiyuditlarmiz. Bu kitob antiyudit emas yo antikrist emas. Siz bu kitobni to'g'ri tutish va Adamga nom qilish. Bu kitobni olish musulmonlar va nemuslimlar sizga bu talab qilinadi. Masiyanlarga men deyman, shu kitobni olish sizga kerakligi. Bu kitob sizga musulmonlar qanday fikrlashayotganligini tushunishga yordam beradi. So you can plan your strategies if you know the opposite man's book. The Muslim also needs it, and to the Muslim, I am suggesting that get this volume as quick as possible. It is a good investment.
So the Muslim needs it, and to the Muslim I'm suggesting that get this volume as quick as possible. Is the best investment you can make in your life.
Men Bukini 1935 yilda sotishku bu men qilgan eng yaxshi investitsiya edi. 1935 yilda u menga 5 funtlik edi. Men o'zimni izolim, menga 12 funt 10 shillinglik edi. Bu men oyninglik jalovanim fonining 50 edi. Oyningning janimlari jal. Men har oyda 5 funt miqdorda ega bo'lam va unga 12 funt 10 miqdorda tolaman. Men buning uchun hech qanday qalbiy hisni bilmayman. Bu mening hayotimni o'zgartirdi va buni o'qib, men bu kitobni o'qish sabablaridan biri. Do'stlarim, aziz do'stlarim, men sizlarga bu kitobni olish va Israel haqida va uning tug'ish haqida izlashni tavsiya qilaman. Ushbu kitobni o'qib, uning haqiqatlarini bilishingiz mumkin. Ammo sizga bugunni tuxunishga yordam berish uchun men uni sizga qayta qilib beraman. Men taksi qiladigan narsa bu. Bu kim Isaning tug'ilishini izlab va ushbu bavani eslash.
And memorize the verse. Memorize the verse, the ayah in Arabic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Allohning jasoyat va rahmli ekanligi uchun angelga qura, o Mari, Alloh seni tanlagan va seni ochilgan. Isaning onasi Qur'onda boshqa qizlarning qizlaridan ustun tanlangan qiz deb tasvirlangan.
And purified thee, wastafaki ala nisa'il alamin. Chosen thee above the women of all nations. Mary, the mother of Jesus, is described in the Quran as a woman chosen above
The men
the
Diapmanki, this honor, this high honor, is not to be found given to Mary, the mother of Jesus, even in the Christian Bible, whether the Protestant version or the Roman Catholic version. I have both. Nowhere you find anything like this.
Or the Roman Catholic version. I have them both.
Bundan keyin davom etiladi. Arab o Maria Allohingga ishona, baho qiling va duo qiladiganlar bilan duo qiling. Bu mesaj ilohiy niyat bilan berilgan ko'rmagan narsalar haqidagi xabarlardan bir qismi.
This is part of the tidings of the things unseen which we reveal unto thee, O messenger.
O'rganing bu ma'no through inspiration by comparing it side by side. Once you have done this, you will understand the blessings associated with reciting the words of the Quran. Every time we utter the words of the Quran, we are told that we receive 10 blessings for each letter.
That for every letter of the Quran that you utter,
Arab deganda
you
bu
get
so'z va bu
10
harflar
10
Bakara
savabs
surasining 2-bobining
When we
boshidir.
say
Arab
alif,
so'zidagi
lam,
harflarning
mim,
har birini olsak, bizga 10 farzash
this
beriladi.
word, these letters, alif lam mim, is not a word. Our Prophet said it's not a word. There are 3 letters. Alif separate, lam separate, mim separate. Alif lam mim. That's the beginning of Surah Baqarah, the 2nd chapter.
Siz buni eshitganda shu yerda mavjud barcha 100 antninetita baxsh oladi. Men 100 antninetita olaman va shu Allohningdek boshqalar ham hisobni saqlaydi deb kutam.
In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you count the letters, there are 19. You get 190 savabs, blessings. Each and every one of you are hearing it.
Siz bu qilish kerak oqibat kuni. Alloh buni erisha. Faqat sizning ishingni bajating.
This is the one you have to do business with him, with Allah. Bighayri hisab. You don't have to keep count. You just keep on, let him keep the account.
Uni hisobni saqlashini davomlatib gapla.
So, my brothers and sisters, you repeat these words. I haven't counted the letters. وَإِذْ قَالَتِ الْمَلَائِكَةُ يَا مَرْيَمَ I didn't count them. I said, let him keep the account. Allah, let him keep the account.
Shuning uchun bu so'zlarni takrorlash va eslash sizning ingliz tilingizga ham foydali bo'ladi. Bu o'qitish uchun yangi leksikadir.
And memorizing it, your English improves. Because this is not a part of your ordinary vocabulary. Behold, behold.
Ey Mari, Alloh sizga tavakkul qildi va sizga adob qilib deb aytdi Peril. Bu maktublarning yangi konstruksiyasi va yangi leksika.
New construction of sentences, new vocabulary, this is all yours. Blessings, blessings, blessings. And you find an opportunity for practicing this.
Bu ayni xiddiy jamoaning, ayni xiddiy jamoasining.
South Africa. It's an ocean of Christianity. Whichever way we look at it as a Christian, our fellow workers, our employers, our employees, our neighbors, Christians, Christians, Christians. Now create an opportunity, your neighbors.
Lutfan, buni sizning masxiy do'stlaringizga berib beting. Har kun qutuldi degan so'zni ayting. Ularni choyish uchun chaqting. Ey, Mary Elizabeth, biz bilan choyishga kel va sizni farzandlaringiz ham borishini takrorlating.
Come, Mary Elizabeth, come and have tea with us. Bring the children along.
Bizning choy sam savabajlar achubini yasashi mumkin. Janub Afrikadagi malaylar choy va kusistalarni yaxshi ko'radi. Men bilmaganman, sizga ham shunday mahsul mavlar judni.
I don't know whether you know those things. You might have some specialities of your own.
Bizning o'z xossalari bormiz.
From Indonesia and from Malaysia and from Bangladesh and where not. You also have and Lebanon, your sweet meats. Look, we have our specialities, each and every one. And each and every one
ularga bularni berib, ularning rubatlarini qanday qilib qolga ola olasiz deb qo'ying.
How you enslave them. I tell you, my people in South Africa, with our food, we enslave the white man, the African, the colored, the other Indian.
Ikkini ihonchini olishning etakchi usuli, talab eshittirishdan iborat.
Man, everybody, he hogs it. Our food, is irresistible. Wallah, I tell you. You enslave the people with food. There is no better way to get in the heart of a man than through his stomach.
U buni keldi. Ammaga bu haqda hech kim gap yo'q. Asliga men sizga buni kelishni aytib yurmoqdaman.
This is what the example he said, but nobody talks about it. But now I'm telling you, do this exercise.
Tanlar va sizning atrofidagi odamlarga tanish bo'lish va keyin ularga choy taklif qilish. So'ng ular Qur'onni ko'rib chiqadimi yoki emamas deb so'ramiz. Agar bo'lmasa, ularga ko'rmish imkonini taklif qilish. Ularning inglizcha tarjimachi, agarmi so'ramiz deb borsa davom etish. Ilohiy tabiat izlayotgan. Biz birchasimiz bilishni xohlaymiz. Qur'ondan 3 bob 42 raqamni ochib, uni arab tilida eslash.
And if you can read Arabic, read it to them. Read this Arabic to them.
Qur'onda ta'sir bor. Shuning uchun ham dushmandalar ta'siri bor. Qur'onni o'qish sadoqli inson emotsionaviy javoblarni tajriba keladi.
Allah tells us in the Quran, He says that when these our verses are recited to
Albatta,
them,
Rim
a
katolikini
sincere
arab
person
tilidagi
says, "Tears will
she'rlarni
come
o'qish
down."
va ularga
Really, I've
ingliz
seen
tilida
the Roman
tarjima
Catholics
berish
especially,
taklifi berish.
Roman Catholics especially. You recite the Quran. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَإِذْ قَالَتِ الْمَلَائِكَةُ يَا مَرْيَمُ, and translate. Ya Maryam, and on and on. Translate it for them. Let them hear.
Chay
And
ichki
this
yillar
will
davomida
convert them.
urilib olgan
A
nohaqlikni yo'qotib
lifetime
bera
of
olmaydi.
rust, what
Qur'onni
has gathered
tarqatish
and
zarur,
prejudice. You
lekin bu
can't remove this
barchasini
with a cup of tea
ergashirmaydi.
and the pussy stars. But, man, share it with them. Tell them that this is what the Quran says.
Qur'on
Lord
Isaning
Jesus.
Allohning eng
He is one
kuchli
of the mightiest
xizmatchilaridan
messengers of
biri
God.
ekanligini
We believe in his
tasdiqlaydi.
miraculous birth.
Uning
In his
ulkan
verses
tug'ish
that I read,
haqidagi
he speaks
baytalar
about his
ahamiyatli.
miraculous birth.
Ona tavsan,
And I had an experience in
1977 yilda men
1977.
Indoneziyani tashrif buyurish
In
rejalarida edim.
1977, I was planning to go to Indonesia. I
Men
haven't
hali
been
ni
there yet.
dobrался do
This
Indonezии.
is my
Мой
Indonesian brother
индонезийский
said that, yeah,
братья,
they can
если
go.
вы здесь,
From
вы можете это услышать.
1977,
В
I'm trying to get into Indonesia, a
1977
Muslim
году я
country,
планировал посетить
but I have
Индонезию,
failed so far.
мусульманскую страну, но я потерпел
77,
неудачу.
but as soon as I make up my
Men
mind
boshqa mamlakatni
to go
tashrif
to a foreign
buyurish
country,
rejalarida uning
I
tilini
want to
o'rganishni
master
maqsad qilaman.
a
Bu
bit of
shaxsiy
that,
hobby.
that nation's language. That's a hobby. It's a, like that, I can give you some 20 different languages. You think I'm bluffing you? What do you want to hear?
Men
Spanish,
ispan, fransuz,
French,
sudan, dinka, jonkara, swahi, ingliz,
Sudanese.
afrikaans, zululu,
Sudan is the
ivrit va
language of the Dinka,
indoneziyazi
John Kara.
tillarida
You know,
galasha
they're at war.
olaman.
The language of the Dinka, Swahili, English, Afrikaans, Zulu. What do you want to hear? Hebrew. What do you want to hear? Indonesian. I wanted an Indonesian Bible to master a few words of the
Men
English.
Durbandagi
So I went to
cherkovga
the Bible house in
indoneziyazi
Durban.
tilda Bibliyani
Every
topish
city
uchun.
in South Africa
Ularda u
has
yo'q
got a
edi.
Bible
Shuning
house
uchun men
where they sell
Johannesburgga bordim.
specialize in Bibles in different languages. I want an Indonesian Bible. They said they haven't got it. Okay. I said, try Johannesburg.
Menda
They might have it.
Johannesburg
So
Indoneziya
when I went to
tilidagi
Johannesburg,
Bibliyani
I go to the
topib
Bible
oldim.
house in Johannesburg,
Shuningdek, men grek va
and
ingliz
I go and
tilidagi
search for
yangi
this Indonesian
shariatni
Bible.
ham ko'rayot
And I
edim.
got it. And I'm looking in the shelves, some other books. I see a New Testament,
Men yangi
Greek
shariatni
and
olib,
English.
ularni
Like we
o'qib
have the Quran,
boshladim. Men
Arabic
uni
and
o'qib
English,
boshladim.
Greek and English, a New Testament. I took that big volume out and I'm starting to go through that. And the supervisor of the Bible house is watching me. You know, with this funny headgear.
Bibliya
and this
uyining
beard.
lideri meni
He said,
kulib
"What this
turgan
guy
va
is doing
barin
with all
bilan
these
qimmat
expensive
kitalarni
volumes?"
alib
Because
turgan.
this was an
U mendan
expensive volume
bunday
which I put
qimmat
down.
kitalarni nima bilan alib turganligimni so'radi.
Greek, English of the New Testament. So he comes up to me. He says, "Good morning." I said,
Men
"Good
bush
morning."
deb aytdim. Tafovatuli ergalikni
What makes you
o'rganib,
interested
grek
in
va
this book?"
ingliz tilidagi yangi
I said, "No,
Bibliyada
I do
foydali deb
comparative
bilishgan
religion,
narsani
and I
topib,
have come
buni
across
izoh
something here in
qildim.
this Greek
O'luz
English of
nomini
the New
bildirib.
Testament that can be of use to me.
U menga
He
qiziq
found me an
insonni
interesting
topdim va
character.
uni bilan
So would you
chaya
like to have
ichish
a cup of tea
istagim
with me?
kelishini
I said,
so'radim.
"I don't mind
Men
at all."
rozi bo'ldim.
So he took
Keyin
me
u
to his
meni o'z
office.
ofisida olib keldi.
I said, "Now, you know, we believe
Bu
in Jesus."
shuningdek Yuta.
And this was something astonishing to this supervisor. And all the supervisors in South Africa of the Bible houses are retired reverends. This was a Reverend Dunkers. Reverend Dunkers. He's amazed. I says, "You know, we believe in Jesus and in his miraculous
Turandan
birth."
ostida
And so
o'qiganda
he
men
started
Turandagi
repeating
hikoyat
these
va
verses
mening
of the
kitobi
Quran.
orasidagi o'xshashlikka e'tibor berishdim. Aniq
You
ayta,
believe,
men
you believe. And when
Xudoyim
I read
men
it, I said,
fizikaviy
"This is the same
tomondan
like my
tortib
book."
menga qo'l
What
qo'ymaganda,
you are saying
mening
now,
farzadim xol bo'lishiga
that when the
qanday
good
imkon
news
bor,
is given
degan
today,
Mariu
the
Pasaga
translation of
e'tibor
the Quran,
berishdim. Jan
she
buni
says,
aytdi,
"Qalat
deganki,
rabbi anna
Alloh
yaqulun,
aqlani
waladun
istashiga
walam
qura
yamsasni
barchani
bashar." She
yaratib,
said, "Oh my
har
Lord,
qanday
how can
masalada
I have
Alloh
a child
bula deb gap
when no
aytib,
man has
uning
touched
mavjud
me?"
bo'lishiga
This
erishiladi.
was physically, sexually. No man has touched me. So the angel says, "Qala kadhalika Allahu yakhluqu ma yasha." Even
Revent
so,
Dankel
Allah
bu
creates what
solishni
He wills.
hayratga solib ketdi.
Iza
U
qada
har
amran fa
ikkala
innama
hisoblarning
yaqulu lahu
olishgan qismida
kun fayakun.
o'xshashlik borligini
Whenever He
ta'kidladi.
decrees a matter,
Bularining
He
katta
merely says
farqlarni
to be,
ko'rsatadi.
and He wills it and the thing comes into being. So the Reverend says, "Man, this is the same as my book." I said, "Yes, on the face of
I
it."
explained
He
that
says,
the
"Yeah,
phrase chalk and
but
cheese is
if
commonly
you look
understood
at
in
it
English-speaking
intently,
countries,
you'll find the
particularly
difference
in South
between
Africa.
my
I further
version and your
clarified that
version is
chalk and
chalk and
cheese
cheese.
represents a fundamental
Do
difference.
people know chalk and cheese? You know the difference between chalk and cheese? The Canadians didn't know.
Men kanadaliklarning
The Canadians, I'm
chaqal
telling
va
you,
piyoz
Canada
tushunisini
spoke about
bilmaganligini,
chalk and
shu
cheese.
farqni
They didn't
tushunishiga
hear that
aksa
phrase
yoki
before.
deb ta'kid qildim.
We, the English people in South Africa, we know everybody knows chalk and cheese. Chalk and cheese may look like white.
Men bular
That's
farqlar
close
katta
apart. You can't
ekanligini
eat
va
chalk, but you
asosiy
can eat
ekanligini
cheese.
ta'kid qildim.
But the Canadians didn't know. The Canadians didn't know. I'm telling you. I don't know whether you people know. Difference between chalk and cheese. The poles are, in other words, poles apart.
Bundan keyin men Isaning onasi Mariyaga boshliqli kitobga murojaat qildim va u yerda dedimki, Mariyaga boshliqli kitobda
Was given to Mary, the mother of Jesus, about the birth of the Holy Son. She says, how can this thing be?
men bu
when I
so'zning
know
bibliy
not a man?
kontekstdagi ma'nosi bilish
In the
degan
biblical
so'zning
language,
shuning
know
uchun
means sex. To know means knowing sexually. Not she doesn't know a man. She knows her uncle, her fathers, her neighbors. Surely she knows other men. But no. Know in the biblical language means sex.
Turanda va Bibliyada
In the Quran,
menga
it says,
ega
"No man has
bo'lgan
touched
kimdir
me."
deb
Again, it says,
aytgan,
"Not
ya'ni
touched me,"
men bilan
means
shafqat
sex.
munosabatini tashkil qilgan
Both the
kimdir.
Quran and the Bible are saying the same thing. The replies to them are revealing. In the Holy Bible, the answer to Mary's
Baybilda Marining
protest
shikoyatiga
was
javob
that
shuki,
the Holy
kuch,
Ghost will
qudrat
come
uning
upon thee.
ustida ekan. Bu
I'm reading.
ochiq
I'm
fikr
reading the
berib,
Bible to you.
tasavvur qilish imkonini
The
yaratmoqda.
Holy Ghost will come upon thee, and the power of the Most High will overshadow thee. Now that gives you a mental picture.
Masiyonlar
The Holy Ghost
e'tiqodiga
is a
ko'ra,
person.
qurbon ruhli bu,
That's what the
shuningdek,
Christians say.
ota va
The
o'g'il
Father is a
kabi
person,
bir
the
shaxs,
Son is a
biroq
person,
ular
and the
bir
Holy
shaxs
Ghost is a
lekin.
person, but they're not three persons, but one person. I don't know whether you heard that expression before. But
Bu
he's a
Ilohning
person.
Mariyaga
This
indi
Holy
deyish
Ghost will come
ochiq
on
fikr
Mary.
beradi. Shuningdek,
How?
odam va qiz yoki
See, it
eva
gives you
qora
meaning.
olof
Look at
orasidagi
how.
munosabatni
Like a
tasvir
man and a
beradi.
woman, like a bull on the cow. How? The Almighty will overshadow her. How? No, it gives you a mental picture.
Shuning uchun
So I'm
men
suggesting
taklif
that
bu
it gives you
hikoya
a
bir
mental
aqliy
picture.
tasvir taklif
How
qanday ko'rsatib
the Holy Ghost will
muqaddas
come
ruh
upon her. We
Maryam
know it's a
ustiga
miracle.
tushadi.
We
Biz bu
agree it's a
bir
miracle.
mo'jiza deb
But the
rozi,
language that
lekin
you're
til
using,
ishlatiladigan aniq va
the language
tushunarli
is down to
bo'lishi
earth
kerak.
language.
Qur'onda
The Quran
Qur'onning
says,
yo'l berish
"وَإِذَا
manba
قَضَى
ekanligi
أَمْرًا
ta'kid
فَإِنَّمَا
etilgan.
يَقُولُ
Buning
لَهُ
sizning
كُن
masxiy do'stlaringiz
فَيَكُونُ."
va
Or
atrofdagi,
to create
shuningdek,
Jesus without
rahbaringiz
becoming
va
Father,
xodimlaringizga
kun,
qo'rtin
he
va
says, be,
ularning
then it
javoblarini
is.
nazorat qiling.
For him,
Agar
it's just
bera
a
ular
word, and
negativ
he comes
javob
into
bersa,
being.
men alternativ tal qilarman.
So I'm asking the Reverend. I said, now between these two versions, we are both trying to say the same thing. We are both trying to give the same message, that he was born miraculously. There's no doubt about that. But I said, which version would you prefer to give to your daughter? The Quranic version or the biblical version? We are both trying to say the same thing. He said, he bowed his head down in shame, and he said he would prefer to give the Quranic version. This is Reverend Dunkas, the head of the Bible Society in Johannesburg. You show this to your Christian friends and neighbors, your employers, your employees, and you see what happens. If they start being funny, then I will show you other ways.
Buning uchun boshqa usul, biroq bu Allohning bizga ular bilan uchrashuv qilishning talablaridir. Bu sahna Mariyaning onasi haqidagi, ammo u bahoratsiz edi.
The story is that the mother of Mary, she was barren for a long period of time. And
U esa menga farzand berib, men bu farzandni sizga bag'ishlab, sizning xizmatiga bag'ishlab, sizning manaraga bag'ishlab, u esa menga farzand berib, men bu farzandni sizga bag'ishlab, sizning manaraga bag'ishlab, u esa menga farzand berib, men bu farzandni sizga bag'ishlab, bu farzandni sizga manaraga bag'ishlab, u o'qzari tug'ib oldi. U mehnatning natijalaridan qattiq ketdi, chunki u mehnatini mehnatiga bag'ishlashga vaqtda kelgan edi. U nima kelishi kerak? U Mariyaning so'z ishini bajalashiga etagancha kutildi. So'ngra bolani Yerusalimdagi masxiyga olib bordi.
Her toiletries and all that, she takes this child to the temple for handing over. And the priest in the temple of Jerusalem, they seeing this beautiful child.
Masjidlar masjidda bu julib bolani ko'rdi. Har kim boboqa bo'lish istadi. G'urbiy madaniyatlarda boboqa bu bolani nazorat qilishga tayyor kishi. Har kim boboqa bo'lish istadi va shu sabab raqobat bor. ular
they
kimning
started
baba
casting lots.
ekanligini aniqlash uchun monetani ko'tarishdan foydalana qilishga qaror qilishdi. Zixariya Isa payg'ambarning otasi
Their father
monetani
was John the
qoldi.
Baptist. He won the toss. But in things like this, there's always a dispute.
Biroq
You say, "You
nizolar
didn't play fair.
ko'pincha
You
bunday
didn't throw the
vaziyatlarda
dice
paydo
nicely."
bo'ladi. Odamlar
So there
bir-birini
was a
fairli
dispute.
o'ynamaslik
So the
bilan
Quran says,
ayblashlari mumkin.
the
Quran
Quran
states that
that, "Oh
Muhammad
Muhammad,
was not
you were
present
not
when they
there
cast lots
when
with
they cast
arrows to
lots with
determine
arrows
who would
as to
care
which of
for
them should be
Mary."
charged with the care of Mary.
U
Nor
shu
was
savol
thou with them
to'g'risida
when they
bilmadi.
most willingly
Muhammad
died.
buni
How
qanday
do you
bildi?
know these
Behush
things?
inson bularni qanday
How
bildi?
does Muhammad know? He is an illiterate man, a man who doesn't know how to read or write. How does he know this? So Allah gives the answer. كذلك من أنباء الغيب نوحيه إليك.
Bu
This is
tomonidan
part of
profetiga
Bible
obrobor
that you
orqali
have
berilgan
seen, which we
yoldirishining
reveal
bir
unto
qismi.
thee, O
O'qa
messenger,
berilgan har
the
qanday
information.
bilimni u
This is
eslatish
true
shart.
about this
Bu
Muhammad.
Alloh orqali biz
Whatever is
Mariha,
given to him,
Yahudi qiz
he's got no
Isayning
choice,
onasi
he's got
haqini
to
ma'lum
adopt.
qilamiz.
That Mary, a Jewess, the mother of Jesus, she is a woman
Butun
chosen above the
dunyodagi
women of
barcha
all nations.
qitilarga
It doesn't
marmarini
make sense.
yaxshiroq ekanligini ta'kid
When the
etadi.
Jews were
Bu
looking
muhim
down
gumon
upon the Arabs for
3000
3,000
yildan beri
years, do you know
arablarni
that?
bartaraf
They said,
etishiga
Father
siz
Abraham had two
bilishmisiz.
wives,
Ular
Sarah
dedilar,
and Hajara.
Aburahmning
They said,
ikki
Sarah and
xoni,
Hajara.
Sara va Hajra birinchi bo'lishdi va
We,
biz
the Jews,
yudlar
they say
Sara
we are the children of
Aburahmning
Sarah.
ininsak farzandimiz ekanligi
First
ishboloni.
son through Abraham, Isaac.
Isakdan
And from
Yakovga
Isaac,
va Yakovdan Yudda va Yuda va uning
Judas
ahliga
and his
Isroiloilning
brother,
ruhtilari,
the 12 tribes of
Yakov va
Israel, Jacob,
Isroiloilning
and Paul,
barcha
the 12
ruhtilari.
tribes of
Biz
Israel, and
Avraham
we
va
are the
Ishoqdan
Jews,
kelgan
the
bu
chosen
yigitlar,
people,
bu yigitlarning, bu
coming from
yigitlar.
this noble ancestry of Abraham through Isaac.
Ismoil Haja bibi
is the son
Hajaning
of
farzandi.
Hagar.
Ular do'st Abagil
Bibi Hajara.
ikkining iymonli ekanligini
Ishmael
bildiradi.
was his first son,
Ammo
and through him the
iymonlilar
Arabs.
3000 yildan beri
They are
arablarni
descendants.
Hajaning farzandlari deb his
Father
qiladi.
Abraham is the father of the Jews as well as the Arabs. But the Jews have been looking down upon the Arabs for 3,000 years, that these Arabs are Hagarins. In the literature, they
Literaturada
call the Arabs
arablarni
Hagarins,
Hagarinlar
means the
deb
children of
ataganlar,
Hagar,
ya'ni
Bibi Hajara.
Hagarinning farzandalari, Bibi
And Islam,
Hajraning
they say, is
dinining
Hagarism.
arablar. Islom ham buni Hagarizm
The
deb
religion of the
atadi,
children of
ya'ni
Hagar,
arablarning
of the
dini.
Arabs.
Bu
Hagarism.
yurtlar bizning akainlar
These are
foldigan
the
nomlar.
titles they give us, the Jews, our cousins. And yet this
Shuningdek,
man
professor
Muhammad, who is
Muhammad
honoring a
butun
Jewess
vaqtda Yahudiy
to the
qizga
skies.
hurmat qilib, bu ajab,
Amazing.
ameb
It's
va men
unbelievable. You
buni
can't
ikrom
believe.
qila
You say, if
olmadim.
Muhammad did that
Men
job,
menga
why do
Muhammad
you do
buni
such a
qilib
thing? It's
nima
a silly
sabab
thing,
ekan
wallah. It's a
deb
silly thing.
so'radim. Bu oddiy tushunishning
He's
ekan. U
offending
na samom dili xristianlarni va arablarni obida keltiradi. Естественно, ular
and he's
boshqa
offending
arab
the Arabs.
qizni, boshqa
The
arab
Arabs.
qizni ko'proq
Naturally,
mos
they feel
kelib
that
ko'radi.
another Arab woman
Biroq
might have been
Muhammadning
more
onasi,
likely
uning
in
xoni va uning
not his own
qizi
mother,
Fatima
Muhammad's
ko'rib
mother,
dori
not
olishgan
even his
edi.
mother,
Biz
not
Fatima
his wife,
Radagyo
not his
qizlari
daughter.
lideri
When we
bo'lishi
believe that his
mumkin
daughter
hisoblagan
Fatima
deb
will be the
ismizlariga
leader of the
kitob
women of
uning mini
paradise.
buda emas.
But no,
Bu
even her
kitob
name is not
asligacha
mentioned in it.
Muhammadning onasi,
Her
xoni
name
va
is not
qizi
mentioned.
Fatimaning ismini
Muhammad's
zikr
mother's name is
qiladi.
not
Bu
mentioned,
akilalar
but the
uchun
single of
qiziq.
his wife's
Bu
name
kitob
are mentioned. Amazing, this book. So people get puzzled. You see, when they get a book like this, you present them, they are looking for Muhammad, his family
Ular
history.
uning otasi kimligini
And they don't
bilmadi
find
va
it.
ular
Even
shoshib
who's his
uning
father? Even
otasining
his father's
ismini
name is not there.
eslamaganini
You don't
aniqladi.
know where he was
Uda
born. He's
tug'ilgan
not
yoki
here.
vafdan qilgan joyini
Do you
ham
know that?
bilmagan. Siz
Who
tushundimi?
was his
Ular
father?
uning
Who's
otasi,
his
onasi va
mother? Where
tug'ilgan
he was
joyi
born?
Haqidas.
Where he
Shuning
died?
uchun Qur'onda
Nothing
Muhammadning
at all.
tug'ilishi va vafti Haqida
Why?
yozmas. Bas Isa 25
Jesus,
marta va Mois
his
136 martaga eslab. Bu Qur'ondaning juda
two
qiziq
places.
yilgasi.
Muhammad's birth is not mentioned at all. Muhammad is mentioned 5 times, Jesus 25 times.
Garbiyliklar
Moses
buni
136
tushunishni qiyin
times.
gap deb hisoblaydi. Ular
No,
bir
no.
bor
This
hallariga
is
oid
very
kitoblarda
amazing.
ma'lumotlarni kidishga tayangan.
The Westerner, see, he just can't seem to grasp. He is looking for a book. We'll tell him once upon a time. He's used to once upon a time syndrome. Everything
Ular
must be once
buning bir
upon a
bor
time.
formatda
Once
ishlashini
upon a time.
kutamoqda.
He's looking
Ular
for
bir
once
bor
upon a
deb
time.
boradigan
And this
narvatiga
book is
qiziqishmoqda.
not a once upon a time.
Biroq bu
It is-
kitob shunday
it is a
taqdim
very
etilmagan.
concentrated
U
book.
qisqar va fokusli kitob.
Therefore,
Shuning
we'll need
uchun
an index.
indeks talab qilinadi.
And the topics
Do'stlarim,
that they
men
use
sizlarga qiziqgan mavzularni
are
olishni
research
taklif
papers,
qilaman.
sisters.
Sizga
You look up
qiziq
those
o'sh
topics.
uchun
That will
mavzularni
make
toping.
interesting reading for you. Get it. Get it as soon as possible. This book. So now, we Muslims are made to believe that Jesus is one of the mightiest messengers of God.
Bizim musulmonlarning ta'limiga ko'ra, Yesus Isroilning eng kuchli xizmatchilaridan biri, Meshiya deb tan etiladi yoki Iso. Bu konsepsiya 45 raqam bilan tadbir etildi.
Behold, the angel said, "O Mary, inna Allaha yubashiruki bi kalimatin minhu," that Allah gives you glad tidings of a word from Him. The Christians say Jesus is the word of God. The Quran says a word from Him. Ismuhul Masih. His name will be the Messiah, Christ. Masih